Hello everyone, my name is Miguel Ángel Rojas Monsalves. I am Renewable Energy Technical. I am also the founder for R&R Fusion Energética, my own solar company. So I have a lot of the real experience working with the solar equipment. Today I don't want to read a manual, I want to explain to why we choose the equipment we installed Felicity Solar. The Felicity Solar IVEM8048-II Gen 2 Inverter. It is a 8 kilowatt single phase inverter with 48 volts. We mainly use in the residential project with a high energy consumption. When I opened the IVEM8048 for the first time, I thought it would be very heavy because of the size, but I was surprised. It's compact and easy handle. In installer, I really like the organization of the equipment. Everything is clearly labeled. The connection feels strong, secure. In the fields, time is very important. We need only 2 minutes to mount in the about 5 minutes to configure the system. Same inverter have many complicated menus, but Felicity is single, simple and practical. In La Serena, temperatures can change a lot, so the thermal management is very important. This inverter has several cooling fans and very good ventilation system. Customers also appreciate that the noise level lower than other inverters in the same category. Even during high energy consumption, the inverter feels stable and reliable. The biggest advantage in the price quality relationship and the local technical support. This inverter make a high power solar energy more accessible in Chile. To be honest, if we compare it with a premium inverter like the Solid X6, there are some difference. The Solid has better internal component and more MPPT input. But a Chilean market price is very important. The Felicity inverter costs between $700 and $900, while similar alternative can cost around $1,200. For the residential of off-grid project, Felicity offers excellent value for the price. If I could change sometime, I add more MPPT input and improve the screen design. Modern use want a more visual and attractive interface, maybe with touchscreen. The price is on the best thing about the inverter, but for me, the after sales service is even more important. Felicity has its own technical service center in Chile with a special technician. The maintenance is simple, cleaning filter and removing dust. We have never did to use the warranty, but knowing the service exists gives a confidence. For the alternative for the Felicity Solar is the Sun Pro inverter, this same category and equal price and same power, 8 kilowatt power. This is inverter for 2 MPPT input and equal for the Felicity. My squid card for Felicity is installation and usability 4, performance and reliability 4, build quality 4, price quality relationship 5,